Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Karni Renikum, and I'm a student from class 8A 2022C. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my supervisor, Mr. Sabat Yulianto SPD, for his valuable guidance and support during the preparation of this proposal. Today I'm going to present about my article, about my presentation for my undergraduate thesis. I hope this presentation will give a clear overview of my research plan and objectives. The title is The Role of Social Media in English Proficiency Enhancing Student Communication Skill. First is about content. First is background of the study. And then research question, the purpose of the study, significance of the study, literature review, research method, and conclusion. First, we will talk about background of the study, the role of social media in language development. The social media as a broad communication tool for students. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube provide opportunities for language practice. And then the impact of social media on English language skills. Students are frequently exposed to English through posts, discussion, and creative content. And then social media usage enhance vocabulary and writing skill. Then opportunities for informal language learning. The interaction on social media allows students to learn English outside of the classroom. And then students can develop speaking and writing skill through online communication. And the impact of English proficiency on social media usage is students with high English proficiency can use social media to further enhance their language skills. That students with limited English proficiency may face challenges in understanding complex text or engaging in discussion. Then about the research question, how does the use of social media influence student language development in English, and what is the relationship between student English language proficiency and their ability to effectively use social media for language learning, and to what extent the social media exposure contribute to the enhancement of student vocabulary, writing, and speaking skill. And about the purpose of the study. The purpose of this study to explore the impact of social media on student language development, that specifically focusing on English language skill. This research aims to examine the role of social media in enhancing student English language proficiency, particularly in terms of vocabulary, writing, and speaking skill. And then second is to analyze the relationship between English language proficiency and social media usage to understand how students with varying level of proficiency engage with social media for language learning. And then third is identify the challenges faced by students with limited English proficiency in using social media platform as tools for language development. talk about the significance of the study. First is about theoretical significance. That first is contribute to language acquisition theories. That this study will add to existing theories of second language acquisition by examining the informal learning opportunities provided by social media. It will provide insights into how platforms like social media can serve as an additional environment for language learning, supporting or challenging existing theoretical framework. And then second is expand the understanding of English language proficiency. That the research will expand our understanding of how different levels of English proficiency affect students' ability to learn through non-traditional methods like social media. By studying this interaction, the study will inform the development of new theoretical models that incorporate digital literacy as part of language acquisition. Then third is enhance research on formal learning environment. That the study will contribute to the growing body of research on informal learning environment. That particularly the role of digital platform in language development. It will provide theoretical insight into how informal space such as social media impact the development of language skill outside of traditional classroom. Then we will talk about practical significance. First is about implication of educator. That this study will help educator understand how to effectively integrate social media into language teaching. It will provide practical recommendation for using social media as a supplementary tool to enhance certain language skills, particularly for those who are learning English as a second language. And then second is support language learning program. The finding from this study will offer practical insight that can be applied to the design of language learning program. For example, it could guide the creation of hybrid language courses that combine traditional teaching with social media-based activities, fostering an engaging and interactive learning environment. Then third is inform policymaker on digital literacy in education. By exploring the role of social media in language development, this study will provide policymakers with evidence on the importance of integrating digital literacy into the curriculum. It will underline the need to recognize digital platform as essential resource for language learning in today's driven world. And then about the literature review. The role of social media in language learning has gained significant attention in recent years, that especially with the increasing use of digital platform among students. The researchers have explored various aspects of how social media influence language acquisition, that language proficiency and communication skill. The following review outline key studies and findings related to the impact of social media on language development and the relationship between English language proficiency and social media usage. First is about the role of social media in language learning. That social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube provide students with unique opportunities to engage in language use and communication on a global scale. The concept of informal language learning is central to the argument that social media can contribute to language development, Social media provide an environment where students can practice reading, writing, speaking, and listening in English in a relaxed, non-formal setting. And for instance, students can engage with multimedia content such as video and podcasts and participate in discussion in English, thereby improving their linguistic competitions. And second is about social media and English language proficiency. That the relationship between social media usage and English language proficiency has been explored in several studies. That according to Gao et al., found that students who actively engage with English language content on social media demonstrate greater improvement in vocabulary acquisition and overall language proficiency. This aligns with the finding of that accordingly Annie that who note that students who consume English language media content such as new article, blogs, and video tend to develop to stronger command of the language compared to those with limited exposure. Third is challenges faced by low proficiency students. While social media offer numerous benefits for language learning, it also presents challenges for students with limited English proficiency. According from the Warszawa, points out that students with lower level of proficiency may face difficulty in understanding complex text or expressing themselves clearly in English on social media platform. And moreover, according to Sunfish and Sylvan, argue that students with low English proficiency may experience frustration with social media content, as it often involves colloquial language, slang, and face-based communication that is catalytic of the misunderstanding or disengagement, hindering the potential benefit of social media or language learning. About the social media and communication skill, in addition to language acquisition, social media also play a crucial role in developing communication skills. That according from Fox and Dempsey, highlight that social media enables students to practice communication in both formal or maybe informal settings, allowing them to develop fluency in different registers of language. The interactive nature of social media also promotes the development of critical thinking, creativity, and social interaction, all of which are essential for effective communication. That the social media platform also foster collaboration as students can work together on projects, exchange ideas, and provide their feedback in English. Then about the research method, first is research design. A descriptive and correlation research design will be employed to examine the relationship between social media usage, English language proficiency, and language development. This design will enable the research to gather data on students' social media habits, their English language proficiency level, and how this factor influence their language skills. Second is about population and sample. First is population. The population for the study will include high school and university students who actively use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. And the sample is a stratified random sampling method will be used to select a sample of 200 students. that the sample will include students with varying level of English proficiency, from low, intermediate, and high proficiency, to answer diverse perspective in the analysis. And third is about data collection. Data collection method. The first is about quantitative data. A survey questionnaire will be designed to collect data on two main aspects. First is about social media usage. The student will be asked about the frequency and nature of their social media usage, including which platform they use, how often they engage with English language content, and whether they interact with native English speakers. Second is English language proficiency. That participant will be asked to self-assess their English language proficiency in speaking, writing, reading, and listening, using a Likert scale ranging from beginner to advanced. From a survey questionnaire, and then we have standardized language proficiency test. That to supplement the self-assessment, participant will also take a brief English proficiency test. Maybe it's TOEFL or IELTS practice question to provide an objective measure of their language proficiency. Then about the qualitative data. First is about interview. The semi-structural interview will be conducted with a subset of 13 students to explore their experience with social media and its role in enhancing their language skill. And then open-ended survey question is the second from qualitative data, that in addition to the closed-ended question in the survey, a few open-ended questions will allow participants to describe their experience and provide qualitative insight into how they use social media for language learning. And then for is data analysis. First is about quantitative analysis. That the survey response related to social media usage and English language proficiency will be analyzed of using descriptive statistics to understand general pattern. And then correlational analysis will be used to explore the relationship between the frequency of social media use and student self-reported language proficiency, as well as the connection between social media usage and performance on the standardized language proficiency test. And then qualitative analysis, that the interview and open-ended survey response will be analyzed using thematic analysis. This involves identifying recurring themes or patterns in the data that relate to how social media affect language development, role of English proficiency, and student perception of their communication skill. Then we talk about conclusion. The study aims to explore the influence of social media usage and English language proficiency on student language development. That the finding from this research will contribute to a deeper understanding of how digital platforms serve as tools for informal language learning and how